Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Jai Gallo with Platform, and in today's video we're going to be discussing how you can actually view your membership site. So how do you find your members area, your platform, your application that you're actually building with your platform account? How do you find that? How do you access that? Well, that's what we're going to be discussing in this video. But I just want to give you a heads up real quick that if you have any questions about how to view your application and your platform, or if you have any questions about anything else, you can navigate to the support hub in your platform account, and you can see that there are a bunch of FAQs here. These are just drop-down menus, so all you have to do is just click on this and then you can consume the content within this drop-down. You can also chat with us live. Just go ahead and shoot us a message right here. Click chat with us, shoot us a message, and we'll get right back to you. You can also submit a ticket, or you can click help docs, and that's going to open up a new tab in your browser so that you can go through all of our help documentation in more depth. If for some reason you don't have a platform account already, go to platformarea.com and get started with a free trial today and check it out and see how you can utilize this powerful tool for your business. Okay, so now back to this video. We want to find out, how do we see the members area, the dashboard that we're going to be selling to our members, or we're going to be providing to our church group, or we're going to be providing to our nonprofit organization or whoever. How do we find that, right? Because essentially what Platform does is it allows you to build your members area. So you need to be able to see your members area so that you can build it. So you need to be able to see what you're building as you're building it. So the easiest way to do that, this is from a fresh account. So this is assuming that you didn't do really anything to your account. Basically, this is really raw. The first thing you're always going to want to do is add a test member. Okay. You need to add a test member by just clicking add member, and you add your first name, last name, email, and password. I have already did that. We have Alex Cobb in here. He is one of our team members at Platform, and we have his information in here. From the dashboard, there's always going to be a link here that says view your application, and there's a button that says view. Platform gives you a default domain. Okay, so we're going to click that button, and this is the sign-in page to view your application. So this is the default page that Platform gives you. You can customize this page then as you'd like, but this is the default out of the box that you get. And you can see the domain is myapp2.platformarea.com, and it's /members/login. Okay, so that's where this button link sends you. All I have to do is take Alex's credentials and sign in with those credentials, and I'm in the membership area, my members dashboard. So we're going to do that real quick. I'm going to go back to my platform account, and I'm going to click members, and I'm going to pull Alex Cobb's information here. So I'm going to Control C, copy this, and I'm going to add this in by Control V, pasting it in. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to get his password by clicking on the pencil, the edit pencil icon, and then I can view his password here. Now that I got that copied, I'm going to paste that back in on the sign in page. I'm going to click sign in. And now this is my stock default members area. As you can see, there's not even any features in here yet because those other features that I have added, they weren't turned on yet. So let's go ahead and turn one of them on just so you can see, and hit save and go back into the account, and I'll refresh, and there's my support hub. So here's my default support hub, and I can customize this as I want later, but this is just so that you can get in, so that then when you go back and you make a adjustment or you make a customization like your appearance, you can see what that looks like then. So your primary app color as a default is a standard blue. Let's say we want to turn it to black. I want to save that, and I want to refresh. And now you can see everything turned black, but I need to be logged into this members area so that I can see what that looks like, because maybe I don't want it black now, right? So I want to go back and I can change the color again. So I can go back here and change it to green, save it, and then go back here and see what this looks like. So you need to be able to get in here first so that you can build and see what you're actually building. So that is how you can view your members application. But I'm going to show you a couple of other things while you're here. So if we log out now by clicking the upper right hand icon and we click sign out of Alex Cobb's membership, it takes us back to the sign in page. But we also have other pages in here too. So if I click up here in my browser bar and I delete off the end, what that's going to do is it's also going to show me what my sign up page looks like. Like as of now, I don't have any payment settings set up. So this will be the landing page to bring people into my platform if I choose to bring them in for free. Part of the platform philosophy is that you can actually build your members area and then bring people in for free and then paywall off the features inside of it. So if that's something you want to do, this is the sign up page that you can send people to. So I would actually copy this link here, and this is what I would post and send everybody to. So all my fans and followers, I'd go onto social media and I would say, hey, here's my link to sign up to my platform, and then sell them on why they should do that. Okay, in your own words. You know what your customer base and your followers and fans want to hear. So encourage them to sign up for your platform. All you have to do is just go to the root of this domain, and that will actually get you to that free sign up page. So if I hit that again, see it just redirects to sign up. Now, if I add a payment method inside of my platform by going to the app settings in the dashboard and I go to payment and I set up payments, meaning that I want to actually charge people to come in to my platform. If I set that up, then I'll have a different landing page and a different cart to bring people in and charge them. Another side note too, this domain will change once you update your domain. You go back to your platform dashboard and you click domains. This is where you can set up your domain. Once you set your domain, then your domain will actually show in here. So that is how easy it is to view your members area as you're building it. If you have any questions, hit us up in the support hub on live chat or any other means, and I will see you on the next video.